Good morning, boys. I am sharing again your CKLA to-do list for the day. So Monday you listened as I read aloud King Log and King Crane. Yesterday you were supposed to read King Log and King Crane to a family member or a stuffed animal at home. Today, Wednesday, your job is to listen as I read questions 1 and 2 aloud. So let's go to the page where we can see our questions. As 1.2 activity page, I will share this along with the video, and you will have to make sure you open up this page using Cami, which I'll show you what that looks like after I read these questions. So question 1 says, what did the frogs ask the gods to send them? Lots of food, a log, a king. And then it also says page, and it has a line. So this is asking you to write down the page number you found your answer on. Number 2, did the frogs like King Log? Why or why not? So you have to tell me if the frogs liked the King Log. If they did, why did they like him? If they didn't, why did they not like him? Okay, so I want to go on to Google Classroom really quick so I can show you how to open up your document. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up this document really quick here. Let's see. Here's our document. Okay. Oops. Just got to zoom a little bit. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay. So here's our document. This is what you're going to see in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go over here to Google Classroom. Okay, open from computer. So Mrs. Hilder's just going to show you what this looks like, okay? Okay, so here it is. So when you open it, you're going to want to make sure that when you open it, you're opening it and it says Cami up top. See how it has a K and the tab up top is blue right here, okay? So once you get on this page, the first question is asking you to fill in one of these circles. So you're going to want to use the drawing tool. You can select whatever color you want. And this number, it's a stroke thickness. That's how big or small your line is. So I'm going to pick probably like a 10, a pretty big line, because I got a color in this circle. And I'm not giving you the answer. I'm just going to demonstrate here. So here, I'm coloring the circle because I think that's the correct answer. Okay. Now, if I go to number 2, did the frogs like King Log? Why or why not? I have to insert some text. So remember, we click the T, and then it says text box. And then I click right on my page, and it has a text box. So I'm just going to square this up with the lines because 3rd graders are aware of where the lines are, and they're typing on those lines. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to respond to my answer by restating my question. Did the frogs like King Log? Why or not? Why not? So I'm going to say the frogs. Okay, remember when this happened, you need to stretch out your text box. I'm going to say liked King Log. So I'm going to go to this arrow, stretch it out. Now if you want to, you can always change your font size to whatever you think looks good. This one looks more appropriate. So I'd say 36. So I answered the question. Now I have to type why or why not. Okay, after you answer those 2 questions, you want to make sure you turn in your sheet on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or have your parent give me a call or FaceTime me during the day. So as a reminder, you're completing question 1 and 2 here, and you can go back and reread the story to refresh your mind before answering those questions. Have a great day.